mid-October, and for several weeks, a very large school of adult menhaden has been swimming around downtown Providence. The menhaden you see in this video are all full-size adults, somewhere in the 12 to 14-inch range. I do not know how many fish are in this school. It's probably at least 100,000. There are days when this school stretches from Water Place Park, down past Citizens Bank, down past RISD, all the way to Crawford Street. The menhaden seem to be just milling around, but primarily what they're doing is eating. Being plankton eaters, they open their mouth, take in mouthfuls of water, run it through their gills, and use the gills to strain out the plankton before they are eaten. Plankton are too small to see, and I have no idea how the menhaden locate plankton, but clearly they have some mechanism, because otherwise they would be swimming randomly rather than focusing on particular areas where there's likely to be food.